Since the birth of the first cell phone in 1973, technical advancement has been pushing forward the development of mobile phones throughout the years. "20 years later, SMS messaging gradually became a trend and our most commonly used way of communication. In 2000, SMS messaging usage reached its peak. Mobile phones with number buttons could no longer meet users' daily requirements. They were soon replaced by QWERTY phones, which allow users to text faster and even reply to emails. When the social media era arrived, the input advantages of QWERTY smartphones were magnified to the extreme, along with people's respect toward them. Nowadays, in facing with touchscreens' diversified input methods, do QWERTY phones still own a unique advantage? Let's take a look. Back then, users could type proficiently without looking at the keyboard due to the tactile sensation. However, it was impossible to do so with touchscreen smartphones, as users can no longer locate each key simply by touching. Typing efficiency is significantly compromised. It takes only one step on physical keyboard smartphones to open an app by using the keyboard shortcut, while it takes several steps to open it on a touchscreen smartphone. Not to mention, physical keyboard phones are equipped with Shift and Alt keys that can operate just like on computer keyboards. It is especially suitable for heavy social media users and business people who rely on mobile phones to handle work emails. QWERTY phones still enjoy popularity today for their higher input efficiency and convenient shortcut and function keys. In 2019 and 2021, Unihertz launched Titan and Titan Pocket, respectively, to offer you a different choice and, most important of all, for you to experience their unique charm.